Have you ever stopped to wonder whether artificial intelligence will actually replace accountants one day? When software can read invoices, reconcile bank statements, and flag fraud in seconds, what's left for humans to do? Most people think AI in accounting is a threat to the profession, but the truth is it was created to solve a very practical problem. Accounting became too repetitive, too data-heavy, and too time-consuming for humans alone. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. You upload a photo of a receipt, and your accounting app instantly categorizes the expense, updates your books, and flags anything unusual. Without realizing it, that single action already follows the core logic of AI in accounting. Machines handling routine work so humans can focus on judgment. This is the Learning Studio, where we break down accounting and finance by connecting real-world change to the ideas behind it. What's actually happening in that moment is straightforward. Algorithms are learning from past transactions, recognizing patterns, and making decisions based on probabilities. That combination of machine learning, automation, and prediction is exactly what artificial intelligence in accounting means when explained formally. The same idea now operates at scale across the global finance industry. Firms use AI to scan thousands of transactions for fraud, reconcile accounts in real time, forecast cash flows, and monitor tax rules automatically. Audit teams analyze entire datasets instead of small samples. What once took weeks now takes minutes, with fewer errors and deeper insight. This is why major firms like Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG have invested heavily in AI-driven audit and analytics platforms. The goal isn't to eliminate accountants, but to eliminate manual work that adds little value. As AI takes over routine tasks, the role of the accountant shifts. Instead of entering data, professionals interpret results. Instead of reconciling numbers, they advise businesses. Strategy, judgment, ethics, and risk assessment become more important, not less. AI becomes a partner, not a replacement. This transformation didn't appear overnight and wasn't driven by one company. It emerged from advances in computing, data science, and automation, gradually reshaping accounting from record-keeping into decision support. As systems became smarter, the profession evolved alongside them. Of course, AI brings challenges too. Data privacy, cybersecurity, bias in models, and over-reliance on automation all require human oversight. That's why the future belongs to accountants who understand both finance and technology. Professionals who can question AI outputs instead of blindly trusting them. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace accountants. It's whether accountants will choose to work with AI or be left behind by it. Now that you understand the intuition behind artificial intelligence in accounting, the next natural step is to explore blockchain and autonomous accounting systems, where transactions, controls, and reporting begin to operate with minimal human intervention. Stay curious, stay future-ready, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio, shaping the next generation of accounting and finance professionals.